If you are using this kind of keyboard and you want to fix connecting this keyboard to a dongle, right? A dongle that looks like this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you're trying to connect it and it's not connecting to the dongle. The specific model of this keyboard is I don't know if you guys can see that. The KBM-T95, right? The Tri-Mode Mechanical Keyboard. If you're trying to connect this keyboard to a dongle and it's not working, this is how you're supposed to do it. So what you will do is you will start by obviously connecting the dongle to the computer. Right? You connect the dongle to the computer. Then just make sure that in your settings of your laptop, the laptop does recognize the dongle. It'll be identified as 2.4G wireless device, right? Then what you will do is you'll try to follow these instructions, right? Obviously, you have to click to the USB mode. I know you guys can see that, but if you have the model, you can see. Then what will happen is, like I said, when you click FN, you click V, and you try to connect to the Bluetooth, right? I mean the dongle. It is just gonna keep blinking. It is not working. I tried troubleshooting for the past hour, and I tried a lot of different types of things. It was not working. But yeah, so it's gonna keep on blinking like this. At this point, someone might even give up on trying to connect to the dongle and just try to use the Bluetooth, because like you also have Bluetooth 1, Bluetooth 2, and Bluetooth 3. The Bluetooth 3 one also works. Let me just show y'all quickly. Like I said, I just connected it to the Bluetooth 3, right? It's connected to the computer. Okay, I don't know what's showing. Okay, there we go. Then you can come here. It also works, right? One may even give up and just resort to that, but this video is basically to help you connect to the dongle. So with the dongle, what you actually need to do, it's a very quick fix, is with the dongle connected, right? Like I said, you need to make sure it's discoverable. With the dongle connected, what you need to do is go to FN, click on 2.4G right there, right? But instead of clicking on it, you're supposed to hold it. Now, what that will do is the light will blink, right? And then as it's still blinking, what you will do is you will disconnect the dongle. The light is still blinking. The dongle is disconnected. You'll reconnect it back again. The dongle is right there, and the light will stop blinking. And just like that, it's connected to the 2.4 to the dongle. So that is how you connect your KBM-T95 Tri-Mode Mechanical Keyboard to your dongle.